Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over our ThurenFab leveling kit that we did with Dirty Diesels. Just tell you, it's probably been about 3 weeks, maybe around 500, 700 miles, because I live close to work. But and also the missus is going to drive the beast reloaded for the second time, because the first time she had to drive me home from a family. She was my DD, guys. But we'll get this on video and get her thoughts on how this thing rides with the ThurenFab leveling kit and front active sway bar kit. And one thing I really do like about Thuren's front active sway bar kit, the sway bar links have actual greasable fittings in it, so you can do maintenance on them. It's really, you can grease them up with AMSOIL.
That you can get from us.
Yeah, you can get that from us.
Where can you get that from?
bsynthetics.com, guys. And we're gonna get into that a little bit more too. Wawa stop, guys. Got to get some Monster in us. I know some of you hate it that I drink Monster. Well, the missus is drinking watermelon Red Bull, but
we all have our vices.
Yes, that's my vice. Well, I have a couple. Anyway, a lot of you guys always question me and ask, you know, how the hell can we afford to do all the things that we do? All the extra things. How do we get all the upgrades? How do we have the vehicles that we have? And the reason being is it's not just YouTube ad revenue. Believe it or not, there's a lot of people out there who don't even realize that I make money off of YouTube. They think it's absolutely crazy that you make money off of making videos. Well, there's Google AdSense, and I get a monthly commission check for companies that advertise through Google on my channel. So I actually input commercials into the videos. To those that don't know, most people know that, but there are people that still question me about it, believe it or not. Even like close friends and family, they have no clue. And then the next thing is...
I was one of those too, though. Like, I fully admit, I'm like, what are you talking about?
And then the next thing is like, so I also sell on Amazon, and you'll...
Hey, Joey's Love Makeover.
And you'll see in the video descriptions, you know, Amazon affiliate links. And there's a little note in there saying some of these links may be affiliate links. So when you click on that and you purchase certain items, it helps give me a little bit of commission. I don't really make anything off of Amazon. Occasionally, I think my best month on Amazon, I made 500 bucks one month. On average, it's between 100 and 300 bucks. But YouTube's the big one, and then AMSOIL is the second big one. AMSOIL, I make decent money on AMSOIL, and thanks to all you awesome preferred customers that signed up through me. But there's avenues, like preferred customers can upgrade and go to a dealer, and I've actually had a few, like an independent dealer through AMSOIL through me, which will benefit me too, but it'll also benefit you as well, because you can get all your AMSOIL. It started off as just being like, I just wanted to make enough money to cover all the maintenance expenses for the vehicles, the beast fleet. And then it turned out like, wow, you can make money selling AMSOIL, like decent money.
But more importantly too, I think that it's important to say is I do know a lot of people out there will, you know, sell a product just to get money, but you actually believe in your product and you use your product in your vehicles, and not only your vehicles, but like the lawnmower, and like you clean your, you know, your guns with it and stuff. Like, there's more than just oil for a truck. Everything.
AMSOIL Mudslinger, you spray down all your suspension and metal components on your Jeep before you go wheeling, and then you just power spray it off. It makes Chase's life easier when I send the Jeep over there for detailing. But yeah, I truly believe in AMSOIL's products, and I use it in all my vehicles. Every single one of them.
Cliche, but
it's true. It's 100%. You're getting a good product, and then you're selling a product that you can stand behind. So, but more into that is, you guys, if you're interested, I'll link the AMSOIL page on my website in the video description below. You can click on it. It gives a little bit more detail, and you can click on the actual, you know, from independent dealer to preferred customer to commercial customer or commercial account. There's so many different things that you can do with AMSOIL. And again, like, it started off with just, I wanted to cover my maintenance costs. Now it's actually turned into a business. So that's another avenue that I use to maintain my vehicles and also buy upgrades for my vehicles to make content with. What do you think, Heather, of the ThurenFab 2-inch leveling kit?
I like it.
We did install the 2.0 Fox shocks in the front, left the factory Bilsteins in the back because while ThurenFab's Fox shocks are on back order, just like everything else with Fox right now. But yeah, it rides really nice.
Most definitely it does.
In comparison to the Rebel, do you think it rides better than the Rebel or the same?
If anything, the same. This might feel, I don't know, I feel more trucky in this, but I don't know if it's just because
it's big.
It's bigger. Like, I am definitely comfortable in this, aside from you yelling to me about curbing.
I know, I mean, she made me nervous. We pulled in a Wawa and she had to go potty, and it was a potty emergency.
Big emergency.
It was an emergency. And she is like, I'm looking in the side mirror and she's within 1 inch of curbing the back tire. I'm like,
I didn't.
You didn't. 1 inch though gave me my heart stopped.
Listen. Case in point, did happen.
Yeah, didn't happen. All right. So you're saying they're about the same between the Rebel and this, because the Rebel has a front independent suspension. This is a little bit different. We got a solid axle.
I feel very trucky in this, but I don't think that it's not like horrible. But like again, I don't.
All right, compared to the Beast.
Much nicer than that.
Okay. All right, there you go. All right, compare it to Ruby Beast, our Jeep.
Oh, come on. It's so fun. No, yeah. This is luxury compared to the Ruby Beast. No offense, Ruby.
Yeah, the Ruby Beast is like driving a tank down the road, but it's built for a reason. It's built to go off-road, and we love that thing. We have so much fun. We just got back from a trip, and we literally just dropped it off to Chase to get it all cleaned up.
Whoa, whoa.
Don't worry, Jesse's coming.
Thank you. Who said you're hung up on a rock?
Me back up in? No, come forward.
Oh, Jesus.
Hey.
Best trip yet, according to our girls. I think it was because it was just so beautiful outside yesterday.
It was beautiful. It's November and it's 72 degrees here in PA. It's insane.
No complaints.
No, but honestly, in comparison to the suspension in the Beast, this thing rides just as good as it was when I got it brand new with factory. We're only at 1,600 miles on this truck. I think we did this install at 700 miles. So I'm beyond happy, but I was just telling
the infamous butt.
I was just telling the wife, I was like, you know what? I think we need a little bit more rubber. I think we need to go to 35s. I think we need to see what else ThurenFab has to offer.
How many miles are on these wheels? Tires?
700 miles maybe? A little over, maybe 800 miles.
That's pushing it. I feel like we just got these last week.
Hey, we can always plan for the future.
True. Like, I'm not mad about it. I got my Cricut.
We'll see what the viewers want. Comment below. Do you think we should go up a little bit higher? See what else ThurenFab has to offer to get us to 35s? I still want to keep the offset that we have. I like the aggressive offset on this truck. So I'm thinking we still stay with 22 by 12s, but put a little bit more meat, get to 35s. I don't know, comment below, let us know. But yeah, beyond happy with
well, you know what? The tires will be bigger. It'll be, you know, less chance. I'll just go up over the curb.
Yeah, less chance of actually getting curb rash. Yep, for sure.
Hey.
Hey. I don't know if there's any. I mean, Pennsylvania roads are all really bumpy, so it's noticeable if you got a vehicle that's got a jacked up suspension. You'll notice it right away in PA. So I'm very happy with the way this thing rides.
The difference between now and me just dropping off the Ruby Beast is 180. Like, it's
180.
Yeah, because it wouldn't be a full circle, it would be 180. So that means driving the Ruby Beast was horrible.
Well, yeah, I mean, yeah, we can't. I almost don't even want to compare it. See, this is bumpy right here, guys. So there's definitely some ruts and stuff. See how there's a grate right there. I mean, there's another grate, another grate.
We got 2 more. One.
Hit all those grates, Head, just don't hit the curb. Yeah, but that's not bone jarring. It's like a nice smooth, like.
Your infant would still stay asleep in the back seat.
Yes, 100%. Another grate. Didn't even barely feel that one. If you don't have to, you do not want to use spacers if you don't have to. I mean, it works. If you need to go cheap, you could put leveling spacers in. I personally don't like it. I would rather put a different spring in there and do it the right way. But if you need to go cheap, a lot of guys do, your ride quality just isn't going to be quite the same.
Don't say cheap. If you need to save money.
All right. If you need to save money.
Yeah, that makes it sound like people are like cheap. Like, no, if you need to save money.
It's not much savings though at the end of the day. It's not that much more to get a ThurenFab springs. You know?
Then go that route.
It's worth it. It's worth it. For the ride quality and the peace of mind, knowing that you're getting a superior product.
Pray for me.
From Dirty Diesels.
True.
ThurenFab.
ThurenFab.
And speaking of that, if you guys are interested in any of ThurenFab's components, I would have to say Josh from Dirty Diesels is the guru with ThurenFab. He's very familiar with their products and what they have to offer, and that's why I was saying we're probably going to research into something a little bit different down the road. Down the road. Not next week, not the following week, maybe January 1st. I don't know. We're gonna do something down the road. I'm gonna tell you right now, because yeah, it's cool, but I think it's time to go. I want to go a little higher at some point. Thumbs up, Heddy.
I'll give you 2 thumbs up.
All right. Before we close this video out, I just want to give you a little sneak peek of what's to come. Got this nice little package here from Garofalo Enterprises, and let's see. Usually he hooks me up with some tasty cakes, but he knows that I can get tasty cakes here living in southeastern PA, so he didn't put any in this box. But as you can see, man, we got tuning from CTT, and we're going with the Easy Link. A lot of you guys always question me from previous Beast videos with our 4th gen RAM, you know, Easy Link, what are my opinions? Well, I like it so much, we're going with Easy Link right here with this Beast Reloaded build. I want to walk you guys through the whole process with the 5th gen RAMs, how to unlock and installing the Easy Link and loading the tunes. Just not in this video. It's gonna happen now. Next video, promise. But yeah, here's what you get. You get, this is your OBD2 port. This looks like this plugs into your gateway module, which is actually in the truck. This is probably your unlock here, so you can access your ECU. And here's your actual auto agent from Easy Link. And I got some double-sided Velcro tape, and we're gonna I'll show you. I'll walk you through it. Don't worry. I'll bring you guys, I'll give you a full-blown tutorial on how to do this. And of course, we went with the best. We went with CTT for our tuning, formerly known as HPP. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're stopping by for the first time, make sure you smash tap, do something to that subscribe button. Make sure you check out allbeastprojects.com. That's me, that's us, that's our merch. There's also cool information about all of our partners and discount codes and what have you on our website. So make sure you check that out. Stay up to date with everything that's going on with us. Make sure you check out bsynthex.com. That's me. I'm an AMSOIL dealer. As I was telling you about earlier, that's how, you know, we can do these things through you guys purchasing your AMSOIL through us. And if you ever want to become an independent dealer like myself, you can do it through me, which will also benefit the channel, and you can make money or just cover all your maintenance costs in the future if you have just a few contacts that want AMSOIL or shops. I didn't get into it, but yeah, you can sign up shops like myself, like Dirty Diesels is a retailer through me. Chester County Transmissions is a retailer through me. Open Road Tuning is now a retailer through me. Whenever they order their AMSOIL, I make a little bit of commission off of that. So if you're just looking to cover your maintenance costs, you can do it easily by becoming an independent dealer. It only costs, I think, $50 a year. Go through a little bit of training, and if you join our team, you're going to be a part of a great group. Michael Sparks is the man. If I have any questions, I send him a text message. He's right there for me. But check out the website. Like I said before in the video description, more information on that. Click the links in there and we'll walk you through. If you have any questions, just hit me up. If I don't know the answer, I'll get it for you. See you on the next upload.